Right now my hair is like 60 to 70% dry. With styling you can see that my hair is very soft, silky, smooth. All I could do this just by using this hot air brush. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. So welcome back to another video. So in today's video I will be showing, just by using this hot air brush, how you can style your hair at home just like you have stepped out of salon. So this is a 4-in-1 brush. With this help of this brush you can blow dry your hair, brush your hair, curl your hair, and also you can straighten your hair so that you don't have to invest on 4 different tools. So if you want to know more about this, so please keep on watching, and if you're new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. This is a Aima Beauty Salon 1-step hair dryer. So this is the outer packaging of this. This box includes the brush. So this is a hot air brush what you will be receiving in this. And the next thing is, in this you will be getting a user manual as well, and also you'll be receiving a tool where you can clean your brush and remove the hair which has been tangled in this, and it's very easy to use. And I've already used this brush, and you can see that it's very easy to pull out the hair from this brush. In this you will be getting 4 different colors. So here I've ordered the white diamond, and I've washed my hair thoroughly, and right now my hair is like 60 to 70% dry. So before using any heated tool, make sure your hair is dry up to like 70%, because using directly on your wet hair, it might damage your hair. Before using any styling tool to your hair, make sure you use a very good heat protectant spray. So in that way, it prevents your hair from damage. So here I'm using a cheap brand. So yeah, I recently came across this brand. Before I was using a L'Oreal brand, and this is a Chi Iron Guard heat protectant spray. Let me spray this all over my hair. So in that way, my hair is not damaged. So make sure you use it till the end. And I'll just give a light massage so that it spreads evenly. So this brush has a ceramic coating. As you guys can see that it has a complete ceramic coating, and this ceramic coating helps to protect your hair from over styling, and also it distributes the heat evenly to your hair. Here I've got 3 different settings: cool, low and high. So if you have a very thin hair, you can go for a low setting. If you have a very thick dense hair, you can use a high setting. And if you're for the cool option, you can just style your hair, you can brush your hair, and you can just dry your hair. So first I'll be using a cool setting to dry and brush my hair, so in that way my hair is detangled. So yeah. So now I'm done brushing my hair, and my hair is completely detangled. So basically this oval shape design helps you to curl your hair and also straighten your hair very easily. This has a very unique airflow vent. As you guys can see that in this way it dries your hair faster and with the less heat damage. First I'll just divide my hair into 2. It's just put a clip. So here I've taken like a big chunk of my hair. So you can take a smaller section also, but I'm taking like little bigger section so that it's very easy to do it. So I've seen so many people taking a smaller section, and it is too much of time consuming since the brush is like little big. So yeah, your styling will also become very easy. So now I'll be using in a low setting. So now you can see that without any effort I could straighten my hair. Now I'll show you guys how to curl your hair. Wow, look at this. It gives you a very Wow, look at this. This gives you a very soft curl actually. So it doesn't give you a complete curl, but it gives you a very soft, nice curl on the bottom. You don't have to struggle a lot. This is exactly what I wanted. In this way, I'll just do my complete hair and yeah, let's see. This is how exactly it looks with and without styling tool. With styling, you can see that my hair is very soft, silky, smooth, and also it is very bouncy. And this side you can see that my hair is like little frizzy, tangled, and it's not that straight. And also if you want a very sleek straight, you can also put it in a high temperature and you can give a sleek straight also with this tool. And towards the end you can see that it has given a very nice soft curl to it. And yeah, this is exactly what I wanted. And if I would have gone to salon for just for the simple hair straightening, blow dry or something like that, they would have charged me $50 to $60 for sure. I'll just do this side also. You'll get an idea how exactly it looks. So if I do it in a section wise, it's kind of very easy and you can, do it very fast. If you want to give that soft curl to your hair, all you need to do is, since the brush is very big, I can wrap my complete, half of my hair. Now you can see my hair is like super smooth, soft and silky, and also it has straightened my hair, and also it has given me a perfect salon style, that soft curl towards the end. All I could do this just by using this hot air brush, and this brush has saved my money, and also it has saved my time as well. So, and also my hair remains just like this at least for 2 to 3 days, and yeah, after 2 to 3 days it becomes little oily. So this brush is super lightweight and it's very easy to carry. To purchase this brush, I'll provide you the link in my description box. You can click and you can purchase, and upon that you can use the below code and you can get additional off on this. This was a review about this Aima Beauty brush, and I absolutely loved it, and hope this video was helpful for you guys. And thank you so much. Keep supporting and keep loving me in this way, and see you until my next video. Bye bye.